Hello dear students, once again warm welcome in my online class today. Today I have a very special class and a special subject. A special class for class 7 and subject is English for today. Dear students, I am with you. I am Bedut Fauzdar, assistant teacher, Pioneer Girls High School, Khulna Sadar, Khulna. Before entering the class, I would like to give you an information that this class will be uploaded in my personal YouTube channel, Bright Learning Studio, as well as link will be connected with Teachers Portal video panel www.teachers.gov.bd, Classroom tab, Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board Jashore, my personal Facebook page BIDYUTF, and Pioneer Girls High School Facebook page. Okay dear students, I would like to request you to share my videos for more and more views. Okay dear students, before starting today's class, you have to keep with your textbook English for today for class 7 as well as notebook and pen and pencil. Dear students, I would like to request you to keep it with you. Okay dear students, before entering into the today's topic, I would like to show you a very small video clips. Let's enjoy the video clips.
Bangladesh is among the most vulnerable countries to climate change impacts and almost every year suffers from major natural calamities which takes a big toll on the poor local people. People in different regions suffer from different types of disasters, including flood, drought, and salinity. Drinkable water becomes scarce. Land becomes barren in the dry season. Farmers helplessly wait for rain. When the monsoon arrives, rivers start overflowing and causes flash floods. People struggle to find shelter. It becomes harder to save their belongings and livestock. Meanwhile, in the coastal districts, people face salinity problem. Excessive saline water makes it impossible to do farming and fishery. These people suffer the worst blows of nature.
Okay dear students, after enjoying this video clips, it is clear that what is the topic today's lesson, and it's clear that the topic is today's lesson Mother Earth in Crisis. Okay, I repeat, it is Mother Earth in Crisis and it is unit 9 lesson 1 and page number 96. Dear students, on the basis on this topic today we have to materialize 2 learning outcomes, and the first one is answer the text related questions and the second one is identify the presence of climate change. I repeat, answer the text related questions and identify the presence of climate change. Okay dear students, before going through this passage we have some iconic words just a top portion of your textbook, and before going through this passage we have to know the meaning of these words, and if we know the meaning of these words it will be very easy to understand the textbook passage. Okay dear student, let's try to know the meaning of these words. You can follow the screen. Here is the first word is uncomfortable. Okay, it is an adjective. Its meaning feeling mental or physical discomfort. Dear students, sometimes mentally or physically we feel not very easy and discomfort. I think it is called uncomfortable. Okay, clear. Next, it's another word and it is idle. It's idle, it's also an adjective, and it is its meaning is not in action or at work. Sometimes we pass our time leisurely and we do not try to participate with any work, and it is our free time, and ideally we pass this time and it is called idle time. Next word, all day long. Dear students, it is an adverb and its meaning during the entire day. During the entire day. Okay, we may call it is totally in 24 hours is all day long. Okay dear students, our next word is climate. Our next word is climate. Yes, it's a noun. The weather in some location averaged over some long period of time. It's called climate. And our next word, temperature. Dear student, it's called temperature. Okay, the degree of hotness and coldness of a body or environment. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body or environment is called temperature. Dear student, next word, climb. Climb, that means move with difficulty by grasping. Move with difficulty by grasping is called climb. And another word, survive. Survive means continue to live through hardship or adversity. Okay, dear student, and the last word is shift. Shift means move and exchange for another. Okay, dear students, we have completed to know the meaning of the words. Now we have to go through the passage. Dear students, going through this passage, I would like to request you, please open page number 96 and pronounce with me. Okay, dear students, this is the first portion of the passage. Samina is in class 7 and Arif in class 6. The both felt very uncomfortable the other day. It was just the beginning of March and the day was very hot. In this small town of Sherpur, summer had come with all its heat and warmth. Samina and Arif had nothing much to do. While sitting idle on the veranda, they saw their uncle Anwar coming to them. Anwar works in an NGO, non-government organization called Save the Earth. Samina and Arif started talking with their uncle about weather and climate. Dear student, this is the first portion of the passage and it is clear that very young two guys like you, one is for class 7 and another is for class 6, they are feeling uncomfortable because the summer is starting too early in this year. And they have met with their uncle Anwar and they are talking with him about climate change. Okay, dear students, we have another portion of the passage and it is dialogue between three guys, and now we have to complete this dialogue. Let's start. Anwar, children, why are you sitting idle here? You look very unhappy. Sabina, uncle, it's so hot all day long. Arif, and there is no electricity, we can't use fans. Samina, we can't watch television either. Uncle, why is it so hot now? Anwar, in fact, we have an early summer this year. It's been happening for the last 4 or 5 years. Seasons are shifting. Arif, what's shifting, uncle? Anwar, summer usually starts from April, but this year it has come in March. This moving from April to March is a shifting or changing. Samina, why do seasons shift, uncle? Anwar, well, this is for climate change, and many things are happening on this earth due to climate change. For example, seasons are shifting, temperatures are climbing, and sea levels are rising. If things go on like this, our Mother Earth will be in danger. Samina, uncle, what will happen if the earth is in danger? How will we survive on this earth? Anwar, well, I am going to give you a booklet now. Please read it and you will know more about climate change. Samina and Arif, thank you, uncle. We will certainly read it. Okay, dear students, just a moment, we have completed our text and now we have to participate to give answer of the questions. Dear students, follow the screen. Here is the first question is, why did Samina and Arif feel uncomfortable? Very easy, I think, and it was our text related. Why Samina and Arif feel uncomfortable, we know that, and the answer is Samina and Arif felt uncomfortable because the day was too hot. Okay, dear students, I repeat, Samina and Arif felt uncomfortable because the day was too hot. I think the answer is same to you that you were written on your notebook. Dear students, let's our next question. Our next question is, why did Samina, Arif and their uncle start talking about? Okay, dear students, answer will be Samina, Arif and their uncle started talking about weather and climate. Our another question is, why did summer start earlier that year? I think summer start earlier that year because of climate change. Yes, the answer says summer start earlier that year due to weather and climate change. Dear students, I think this three questions answer is same to you that you are written on your notebook. Okay, dear students, we have another learning outcome to materialize now, and it is the presence of climate change. We know that there are many disasters, there are flood, like cyclone, storm are happening every moment in our daily life, and it is the presence of climate change. But identifying the climate change figure, we have to follow some picture. Let's follow the screen, dear students. Okay, dear students, it's cyclone and storm, and no doubt it is the main cause of climate change. Okay, dear students, every year such kind of cyclone and storm is occurring in our country and destroying many things. Dear student, next picture, it's tsunami, and it's very serious for us, very serious for mankind. I think when the volcanoes are blasted, I think under the ground or water, the water level rising very high and washed away everything for us. Okay, it is called tsunami, and the main cause is climate change. Dear students, it's ice melting. I think the two poles of the earth, I think north poles and the south poles, and the huge are full of huge ice, and the ice is melting for the rise of heating. As a result, the water level is going very high. So the low-lying countries like us are flooding every year, and it's very dangerous for us, and it's the main cause of climate change. Okay, dear students, it's river erosion, and it's occurring every year in our country, especially for rainy season. It's very serious, and we are losing lots of things, particularly for this cause, and its main cause is climate change. Another one is land erosion. We are cutting down trees randomly. As a result, the number of trees are now decreasing day by day, and the land is on the barren. As a result, in heavy rainfall, the first portion of the land is washed away into the river, into the seas. So I think the level of soil is going down. It's called I think land erosion. Okay, and its main cause is the climate change. Okay, dear students, this is flood, and it is occurring in a number of districts in our country now, and you can see that, and you know that it has very bad effect of our daily life, and everything is underwater, and it's a hamper of our daily smoothly life. Okay, dear students, just a moment, we have realized the presence of climate change. After observing this picture, it is clear that the cause of climate change is that occurring flood, river erosion, tsunami, storm and cyclone, land erosion, etc., etc. So we are in danger. So we have to be so much careful about this. How can we save our land? How can we save our motherland? How can we save us? Okay, dear students, already we have completed our task today, but ending our class, I would like to give you homework. Okay, the today's homework is, how is your area being damaged due to climate change? Dear students, you have to write down how is your area being damaged due to climate change. Already we have know the cause of climate change. We have shown some pictures and presence of climate change. Now I think you will be able to write down this question. Okay, dear students and guardian, at last moment I would like to request you for the effectiveness and constructive feedback of this class. Please write in the boxes below. My email address are bidoyutf@gmail.com, and another one is bidoyutf@yahoo.com, and my personal YouTube channel name is Bright Learning Studio. Personal Facebook page is bidoyutf. Okay, dear students, stay with me, stay with learning. Thank you for all.